Hello Groovers. Well, I have come up with a ripper today. I've outdone myself it came up by a complete accident, this saying. It's an old one, but it's a ripper. You guys would have remembered it. Remember when you were cracking onto someone and your mates go, "Hey, did you crack onto her?" "Yeah, I was cracking onto her." Or the girls, you hear it heaps from the girls. "Can't believe that guy was trying to crack onto me." You hear it all the time. So-and-so was cracking onto me the other night, and they really pose about it. Full poser. Another one. Anyway, I only thought about it before because I was thinking, why is it that guys always have to make the first move? And then I thought, first move? It's not the first move. Guys like me that are shy of walking over and talking to someone, I'm never shy of talking to anyone. But when it comes to the cracking onto someone, I've got no skills. I'm no good at it. I suffer from a lack of courage in that department because I'm afraid of something I'm not even afraid of. I'm not sure what. But I can't walk over and say, "Hey, Chris Critter Reynolds, great to see me. How have I been?" I can't do that one. But I can certainly walk up to anyone and say, "Hey, how are you?" and start talking to them. So there's a big difference between conversation and cracking onto someone, because there's a lot more pressure with the crack, isn't there? There is. That's why girls don't do it. Well, very rarely do they do it. As they get older now with social media, yeah, no problem. They'll not backwards and coming forwards these days. They can just type it out. I suppose guys can do the same thing. That's probably what's happened. The digital crack has taken over. Gone is the actual pressure crack. I've just nailed it. Today, this morning here, I did that. The crack's gone because there's a digital crack. Everyone knows the digital code now, and they'll just gutlessly do the tune. So I think we should bring back personal cracking onto, face-to-face crack. That's what I reckon. So feel free to educate your children on this one, because it's very important that we keep the crack alive. And share it, have some fun with it, throw it around. If it doesn't work, good. It doesn't matter. You still did a crack. That's good. You cracked onto someone. And sometimes they will respond and you will have fun with it. So I'm going to unlock that one from the vault today, and cracking on is back. Bring back the crack. That's what I reckon. Hope you guys have a fantastic day and a great weekend. Love your work, and I'll talk to you guys another time. Bye-bye.